Hello, and welcome to CabEstimator How-Tos.
Today we're going to go over the project info. We started by clicking New Estimate.
This is where we set the project name. The client, the estimate status. To keep the estimate fully editable, you will leave it in draft working status. As the job progresses, this is where you will change its current status. Once the estimate is put into Approved 1 status, we hide some of the editing functions to avoid any unwanted changes to the estimate. You can set it back to draft if you need to edit an approved estimate. The projects are given random colors when you open a new estimate, but you can select a different color if you want. Next, you can select a required by date. This may be a client's wish date or a rough date. If you know when you will send the estimate, or once you send it to your client, you can set the date here. This is the date used to keep track in the follow-ups list. Once the client approves the job, you can set the date here so you have a record of that for your files. If the job site has a different address from your client's, you can input that here, and it will show on the estimate. This toggle is for when you ordered the materials for this job. By selecting this, you remove the required materials from the dashboard's global list. The last thing in the project setup is the scope of work or project notes. This area includes standard word processor formatting options, and these notes will be displayed at the bottom of the estimate. We give you the option to manage your payments here. You just click on Payments, put in the amount, the date, and the description, like deposit or first draw, etc. These payments will show up at the bottom of the estimate in the totals area and be deducted automatically.
You may need to apply a discount, whether it's a promo or just a friends and family discount. You can do that in here as well. Next, we have the install fees. You can choose to do a percentage or by a per cabinet total, which is set in the global settings. And the last of the option cards is schedule. Once you've added all your cabinets and parts to your estimate, you will see the build and the finishing hours displayed here. You can apply suggested days, or you can change them manually down below. Once you've done this, you can click Done. Thanks for using CabEstimator. That's it for this one. Take care.